Yeah, so this is the last one. So I'm just going to talk to you about the glossary, okay? So the glossary can be a very, very helpful section of the book, okay? So let's read a little bit about what a glossary is, okay? Most school books or like big textbooks with a lot of chapters, either when you're history, science, math, any of that, towards the end of the book, you're going to find a glossary, okay? So let's see what a glossary is. So this glossary can help you find the meanings of words in this book that you may not know. The words in the glossary are listed in alphabetical order. Okay. So remember when we were reading all those, stories that you would see many of the words highlighted in yellow?
Yeah.
Okay, so all of those words, hold on, let me make this a little bit. Okay, so all of those words are going to be here. So do you see A, B, C? You have across, actions, active, adapt. So all of those words highlighted in yellow are in the glossary, okay, with their definitions. So for example, the first word here is across, and it's an adverb. The definition is from one side to the other. Okay. So this is kind of like a dictionary. So first it gives you the word, it gives you the part of speech. So it tells you if it's a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. So this word is an adverb. And then the next part, it gives you the definition. And then it gives you a sentence using this word. Okay, so you can kind of know how to use the word. So the most important thing about this is that, also like a dictionary, it is in alphabetical order. So do you know what this means, alphabetical order?
Okay, so it's A to Z, and
Exactly.
we have A, you have A to Z, it's like word apple to zebra.
Exactly, very, very good. So yeah, so so if you look at this page, it starts with the A, and the last page will be Z. However, what happens if you have a lot of words starting with A? How do you know in what order to put them? Do you know?
I think I know. So it depends on the second word.
Exactly. It depends on the second letter. So you're just going to say, okay, A and C. So all of these start with A. So you're going to put them together. And then C comes next, right? And then D. So you're just going to be looking at the next letter to start putting them in order. Okay.
Let's see. Then why is 2T here?
Where?
T. Actions. The second one and the third one, they are T's.
Okay, because they're looking at, so these three have AC, right? AC, AC. So you have to look at the third word. So R comes before T, so across is gonna go first. But these two words have T and I. So you're gonna have to look at the fifth letter. So here it's an O, and here it's a V. So O comes before V. Okay, so it's a little bit complicated, but you just have to look at, what letter comes after. So don't worry much about this. This is only for you to understand, that you can always find these words back here with the with the meaning. Okay, so class is almost over. So Alita, your homework is you're going to create a poem, okay?
Again.
Yeah, so you're going to create a poem. And remember, so when you write a poem, actually, I want you to make a rhyming poem, okay? So it can be as long as you want, okay? And I want it to be a poem about how books take you somewhere, okay? Or your experience when you read, anything like that.